ChatGPT Turbocharge. OpenAI held its first developer event on November 6, 2023. The company launched GPT-4 Turbo, updates to Custom ChatGPT, and enhancements to the APIs. At a glance, OpenAI showcases new tools, including allowing companies a platform to build and monetize custom versions of ChatGPT. The new version of GPT-4 Turbo is cheaper to run and capable of handling 16 times more text. 92% of Fortune 500 companies use OpenAI's. 2 million developers build upon OpenAI's API. 100 million weekly users. AI has the potential to empower individuals and foster a level of agency unprecedented in human history. This propel humanity to new heights never witnessed before. The possibilities for achievement, creation, and fulfillment would be limitless. The attendees were each generously awarded $500 worth of OpenAI credits by the company. Here is a selection of the major updates unveiled during OpenAI's Dev Day. GPTs. One of the major announcements included the introduction of customized iterations of ChatGPT known as GPTs, which businesses can develop to cater to specific needs. You can build a GPT, a customized version of chat to be tailored for almost anything with instructions, expanded knowledge and actions, and then you can publish it for others to use. And because they combine instructions, expanded knowledge and actions, they can be more helpful to you, Altman said. Canva, an online design platform, capitalized on an innovative GPT that enables users to generate designs effortlessly using natural language. During a live demonstration at Zapier, Jessica Shia, an AI solution architect from OpenAI, impressively showcased a GPT that facilitated seamless communication of her calendar with her colleagues. GPTs can now be created without prior programming experience. OpenAI has introduced the GPT Builder program, which enables users to construct GPTs through natural language interaction. During the event, Altman demonstrated the process of constructing a GPT, as depicted in the image. Users can add capabilities like DALL-E 3 and even upload files to dictate the instructions. GPT Builder has all the background knowledge of GPT-4, and users can even access the new version of Whisper, its speech recognition tool. See below. Assistance. The concept for GPT Builder originated during Altman's time at Y Combinator, a startup fund. It was during this period that he had a realization. One day, I will be able to create a bot that can perform this task. In the upcoming GPT store, users will have the opportunity to easily access and download GPTs. OpenAI is even planning to incentivize developers by offering payment for the creation of the most popular GPTs on their platform. GPT-4 Turbo. During his keynote address, Altman introduced the latest iteration of the GPT-4 model, GPT-4 Turbo. According to him, this upgraded version specifically caters to the numerous demands expressed by the developers in the field. Among the new features is a massively boosted context length of 128,000 tokens, that's the equivalent of 300 pages of a book. GPT-4 could only manage just over 8,000. GPT-4 Turbo offers enhanced control with its new JSON mode feature, allowing users to implement stronger safeguards and maximize API calling capabilities. Moreover, it has enriched knowledge integration, empowering users to incorporate external information seamlessly within the platform. The knowledge data of GPT-4 Turbo has been enhanced, extending until April 2023. Altman mentioned that the company plans to continually update this information in the future. Reproducible outputs, a new feature, has also been introduced. According to Altman, this feature allows users to achieve consistent results by inputting a seed parameter. By doing so, users gain greater control over the behavior of the model. In today's beta release, reproducible outputs are now available to users. The primary advantage of the new GPT-4 Turbo model lies in its affordability. GPT-4 Turbo offers significant cost savings compared to GPT-4. It is 3 times less expensive for input tokens, with a cost of 1 cent per 100 input tokens, while GPT-4 costs 3 cents for the 8K model. OpenAI prioritized cost optimization over speed. However, Altman explained that GPT-4 Turbo would gradually increase in speed over time. OpenAI also announced their decision to double the tokens per minute limit for all paying customers of GPT-4. GPT 3.5 Turbo is 3 times cheaper than the previous 16K model, priced at just 1 cent per 1,000 input tokens. Interestingly, researchers from Microsoft leaked information about the expansive size of GPT 3.5 Turbo, which boasts an impressive 20 billion parameters. In a surprising turn of events, the esteemed CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, made a notable appearance. According to Nadella, the impact of OpenAI's large language models on Azure, their cloud computing platform, has been significant. The top priority is to create optimal systems that enable the construction of exceptional models, ultimately extending these capabilities to developers. Altman inquired the Microsoft CEO about their future partnership. Microsoft invested a staggering sum of $10 billion in the startup earlier this year. According to Nadella, there is a strong commitment to ensuring that builders of foundation models have access to the best systems for training and inference. This includes providing ample computing power for pushing the boundaries and driving progress forward. Nadella was graciously appreciated by Altman, expressing their belief in having the most remarkable collaboration in the field of technology. Altman eagerly anticipated the joint endeavor to develop artificial general intelligence, emphasizing the partnership's potential for growth and innovation. ChatGPT updates. In recent months, ChatGPT has undergone numerous developments. The recent Dev Day event revealed an exciting addition. ChatGPT now utilizes the cutting-edge GPT-4 Turbo. OpenAI has decided to remove the model picker, which is the drop-down tool used by users to select their preferred tools. According to Altman, ChatGPT has an innate ability to discern which tools to employ and when they are required. The recent Advanced Data Analysis update in late October gave us a clue that the model picker would likely be removed. Copyright Shield. Similar to Microsoft and Google, OpenAI has recently announced its plans to provide legal defense for customers who may face copyright infringement claims as a result of utilizing its technology. Altman mentioned that OpenAI will cover the expenses incurred by both enterprise users and those utilizing the API. Introducing the new GPT-4 Turbo, affordable and powerful. No developer conference is complete without the latest updates to the OpenAI API, the tool of choice for developers. In the latest updates, models now have the capability to accept images as inputs. Additionally, the API will soon support DALL-E 3, along with the introduction of GPT-4 Turbo featuring vision capabilities. In the API, users will soon have the option to access log prompts, with the feature set to be released in the upcoming weeks. Whisper v3 is receiving an overall upgrade in the next update, which is expected to arrive soon via the API. Tailored model development for businesses. OpenAI has plans to collaborate with corporate clients in order to develop personalized models. However, Altman cautioned that due to initial limitations, OpenAI may not be able to engage with numerous companies right away. A significant amount of effort will be required, and it is important to manage your expectations. Initially, the cost may not be low. However, if you are enthusiastic about pushing boundaries to their limits, we believe that we can achieve something remarkable. The latest API update includes the introduction of the Assistance API, which aims to assist developers in creating AI agents. While OpenAI's API has already been utilized to build AI agents like Discord's Clyde and Snapchat's My AI, the process has been both time-consuming and costly. The implementation of Assistance aims to simplify this process. The Assistance API has entered its beta phase today, introducing the inclusion of persistent threads. This addition aids developers in effectively managing lengthy conversation history. The API offers built-in retrieval tools and the code interpreter. I will provide more updates over the coming days. Stay tuned.